Hi guys, good morning. So I want to show you guys how I do my eyebrow, how I shape it in a very quick simple step. So this is the template that I use for my brow. So basically you stick it on and then you draw your brows out to whatever shape you prefer, and then you clean it out. So I'm going to show you guys. I do have a couple of these, so any shape that I prefer I will just use. So this is the one I like. They have different shapes and sizes, so I like this size, so that's the one I'm gonna go for. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I do. I've got literally three. This is my preferred shape, and also I'm gonna be using my tweezers. So what I do is I go in, I'm gonna be looking at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So you're gonna try and stick, it's kind of sticky somehow. Make sure that you're covering every area of your brows, so that way you're not removing your brows. So like so, and then I'm gonna go in and follow the lines. So I'm following the lines, and then you can readjust as well if you feel like it's not covering the areas you need. You can always readjust. Do you see that? Now it has literally just marked out the areas that I want my brow to kind of look like, and then obviously I'm gonna touch it up when I'm ready. But now that it has marked it out, I can fill in my brow, and then all the excess hair that grows around this area, I will go in with my tweezer and I will start to literally tweeze them out. You can do this and go to a beautician to kind of remove the excess by threading, but I like to use this to kind of like tweeze my brows out. Literally everything is nice and clean. Some people ask if the tweezer doesn't hurt. It does if you're not used to it, but I'm used to it, so it doesn't really bother me. So you can see what my brows are looking like already, and if I want, and there are hair that are kind of like overgrown, that are longer than the shape that I want, I will just use my small scissors and I'll just trim them off so that it will have nice shape. So that's literally my new template. So can you see the differences? If you look closer, you will see that there are hairs flying around here, and now I had it here before. Now it looks nice and decent. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one as well. Nice and trimmed. So there you have it. That's how you do your brow like a pro, okay? And this is gonna last me a good 4 to 6 weeks before I do it again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.